Did you know 99% of people miss the most incredible mountain awakenings? Watch sunlight unleash golden hues across ancient peaks, transforming rugged stone into pure majesty. You're witnessing Earth's daily, breathtaking masterpiece. Don't just see, feel this quiet power. What secrets do these towering giants hold? What if I told you a hidden world awakens before your eyes each morning? Experience the forest canopy bathed in dawn's first light. Birds ignite their symphony, revealing an intricate ecosystem thriving above. This vital layer supports countless species. Can you feel the vibrant energy it holds? Stop believing all predators are just about the hunt. Observe the lion's focused stalk, a masterclass in patience and power, honed over millennia. Its deliberate movements showcase incredible athletic precision and strategic thinking. This majestic creature plays a crucial role. Witness its silent, intense preparation. 99% of people don't realize the vibrant coral reef is Earth's underwater city. Discover a kaleidoscope of life where every fish and coral contributes to an incredible ecosystem. You're watching a living symphony critical for ocean health. Its breathtaking beauty holds untold biodiversity. Can we protect this fragile wonder?